Hey everyone, welcome to my channel with another vlog with my favorite food in it. So as I have said earlier, as soon as I woke up, I start to prepare the breakfast. So today I'm going to have coconut roti, or as we call pol roti, with chicken curry and coconut sambol. I'm going to coat the chicken pieces with the spice powders, turmeric, chili powder and coriander powder. And salt, and mixing those spices well using my hand. To cook the chicken curry, I have heated a clay pot with coconut oil. Into it, I am adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds, then adding slitted green chilies and chopped onions. Sorting it well using a wooden spoon. When the onions are slightly cooked, adding crushed ginger garlic. Saute them well until the raw smell fades away. Now I am adding the spice coated chicken pieces. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the coconut roti. Here I have added 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, and then adding a good amount of grated coconut. The more the coconut, the more the taste you witness. Add some salt and mix them well. Gradually add water little by little until you form a non-sticky dough. If the dough is sticky, you can add some coconut oil into your palm and roll it. Placing the flattened coconut roti onto the roti pan. adding coconut milk to the chicken curry. This is optional. Cook the roti well as shown. To make the coconut sambol, I am adding coconut oil to a pan and then mustard seeds. Then goes thinly sliced green chilies and chopped onions. Adding some red chili flakes and sauteing it well. Then adding some grated coconut and roasting it well for few minutes. Add salt for taste. Then finishing off the sambol with a squeeze of lemon or lime. The Sri Lankan breakfast is done. Chicken curry, coconut sambol and pol roti. And it's time to enjoy my yummy breakfast. While I enjoy my breakfast, make sure to subscribe my channel, like the video and leave your feedback in the comment section below. We'll meet with another vlog on next week. Thank you for watching.